Are you looking to take the first step into ultrasonic testing? Do you want to incorporate advanced UT drone inspection techniques into your skill set? Drone-based inspection is not a technology of the future. It is a necessity for today's fast-paced world. The Elios AIIM drone utilizing the UT payload can take accurate thickness measurements backed up with high-resolution A scans in the most challenging areas. Industry professionals can perform inspections in minutes utilizing the Elios AIIM, reducing the probability of downtime and addressing safety concerns related to having technicians in confined spaces. ASNT, in collaboration with MFE Inspection Solutions, is offering 3 course options to best support your professional journey related to ultrasonic testing and advanced NDT equipment technologies. Choose from a 24-hour UT Level 2 limited course, combining ultrasonic theory with hands-on training meeting the requirements of SNT TC1A. For experienced UT technicians, the Elios AIIM course focuses on the Elios AIIM drone, a game changer in NDT. You'll learn how to use this cutting-edge technology in your inspection processes, utilizing MFE's on-site drone obstacle course, and earn a certificate required for equipment warranty purposes. To get the best of both worlds, participate in the UT Level 2 Limited and Elios Drone Combo course to master ultrasonic testing and drone technology in one comprehensive training experience. Ready to choose your path and position yourself at the forefront of advanced NDT technology? Visit education.asnt.org to explore these options and register today.